Jamaica, we feel the hurricane breeze, but we still stand tall. Cause we people never fall, stronger than before we rise again.
After the storm we still rise. Tears dry up when sunshine light the skies. No wind can shed the love inside. Jamaica strong, we're not divided.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you, Father, for life. Thank you, Jamaica, for making it possible. I don't know, without everyone, it would be possible. Thanks for your help, your support. Help me to complete this mission. Tamaru. Yep. Well appreciated. Thank you, guys. Thanks so much.